Now let's come to the next stanza. What the poet is saying, there is no use to say, oh, there are other balls. Suppose if we miss anything or something is broken, many times our parents or somebody else console us. Console us means हमें हमारे दुख को कम करने के लिए हमें जो समझाते हैं, that is called as consoling. ओके, सो द वॉट द पोएट इज सेइंग कि अब इसको समझाने का कोई मतलब नहीं है कि देर आर दूसरे बॉल्स भी हैं, बिकॉज यू नो द चिल्ड्रन इफ दे लव वन थिंग दे लव इट वेरी डीपली एंड हार्टीली. सो अब वो बॉल ही हैज़ लॉस्ट हिज बॉल, सो ही इज़ वेरी सैड. तो अब उसको समझाना पड़ेगा ना दैट वी हैव टू कंसोल हिम दैट द बॉल इज़ लॉस्ट, नो प्रॉब्लम, देर आर अदर बॉल्स. So what the poet is saying, that there is no use to console him, to say him, oh there are other balls. An ultimate shaking grief fixes the boy. Ab that boy is so sad that there is no use of consoling him. There is no use of saying him that there are another balls also. Why? Because his action, his what is his action, that he stands rigid. Rigid means he is standing fixed, trembling, staring down. And he staring means वो घूर कर अपने बॉल को गौर से देख रहा है, that the ball has gone inside the river. वो गौर से उसे देख रहा है. he is trembling, he is shaking himself that what to do, my ball has gone, and he is fixed at one place. Okay, so this shows that he is in ultimate, he is in too much grief. Grief means sad and sorrow. So this अब ऐसे बच्चे को समझाना बेकार है that there are other balls, because he loves his ball very much and he has lost his ball. All his young days into the harbor where his ball went. He is looking, the poet want to say that the boy, the small boy is so sad, जैसे उसके सारा बचपन, all his young days सब पानी में चला गया है जहाँ उसका बॉल चला गया है. So his the boy's action, the boy's we can see his his gestures show us that the boy is so sad that his whole all young days has gone into the harbor where his ball went. The poet is saying, I would not intrude on him. Intrude means मैं इसको अब छेड़ूंगा नहीं, मैं इसको समझाने नहीं जाऊंगा. A dime, another ball is worthless. अब if I will say him that a dime means just as we have rupees in India, so in US 10 cents, 10 पैसे को कहते हैं dime. In India we have पैसा, so in US it is called as dime. कि इतने पैसे 10 पैसे का दूसरा बॉल आएगा, that is worthless. इसको ऐसा बोलना बेकार है because that ball he loves it so much. Now he senses his first responsibility. So as a young man, as an elderly man, the poet is saying कि इसे एहसास होना चाहिए बॉय को कि रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी क्या होती है. It means you should keep your loving things so safely and so nicely, plus you should care for your things in such a way that it should not be lost. Okay, and if you lose that, then you are responsible for that. So this is the poet want to say that this small boy has come to know that what is his responsibility. His first responsibility is to take care and keep properly all the loving things, whether the whatever it cost. Understanding?